Hello friends, welcome to Skills Morning YouTube channel with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the background of the picture with very easy way. Please watch the video to the end, subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Let's start. First open your Photoshop program, then create new. Double click on the background here to import the picture from your computer, then select the picture that you want like this. I selected the picture. When you select the picture, then you have to go to eraser tools from here, then right click, select the magic eraser tool from here, select this one. Okay, when you select the eraser, then click on the background, okay, and these blue, like this blue background, just one click, you can see it. Remove the background. The background has removed, but here something stayed. Now we have to clean these things from the background. For this, go again to the eraser tools, right click and eraser tools, select this one, then zoom in your eraser from here, zoom in, this is okay. Then brush the colors from here, clean it like this. Then go to the color from here, select the color. I think green one is okay, then press OK. There, then go there, right click and select the paint bucket tools from here. When you select this, then come to your background and click just one click like this. Okay, you can see it's changed cleanly. Okay friends, this was the video. I wish you learned something from it. For more videos, subscribe Skills Morning YouTube channel and like the video. For now, have a good time and thank you.